Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Uber credit card accounts. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser. First, go to the address field at the top of the screen and type in Uber credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the social assaults on the next page. Click on this first link that says Welcome to Barclays U, as you can manage your Visa card or your credit card for Uber with this link. So click on that, and on the next page, you'll be able to see the login area. Simply enter your credit card information now for your Uber credit card. Type in your username that's associated with your account and head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the little icon at the right corner. In case you want the system to remember your username, you can check this Remember Username box before logging into your account. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done typing in your information and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Uber credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.